Let's check out the battery of the new Duotts C29 Lite e-bike. So what's absolutely awesome, at this price you actually rarely ever get these kind of massive batteries in these e-bikes. So yeah, if you check it out, it's fully integrated. So the battery is located right over here. By the way, if you are also looking to get this e-bike, in the description I'll include special links that you can follow and get it for the cheapest price possible. Also, I have extra €50 coupon that you can use on the Duotts official website to get again extra €50. So make sure to check that out. So yeah, when it comes to capacity, so you see it's 13 amp hour battery with 468 watt hours of capacity. Okay, and also we can actually charge this battery either by simply taking it out or also directly on the bike. So you see you have this flap here that you can remove, and you have your charge port over here, and here is a lock. And inside the box you're also getting two keys, so you see you can insert it right over here, and if you turn it, it actually pops out. So as you see, it's actually a proper big boy indeed. Okay, have the connectors there. And also let's check out the weight of it. So you see almost 3 kilos. So yeah, actually quite beefy battery indeed. And this is what the inside of the compartment looks like. So basically further down here is basically your controller and some other electronics. So we have the locking mechanism here. So you see it simply locks it there. And yeah, if you want to insert it back in, so let's simply pop it in, and you see, job done. And inside the box you're also getting your charger brick. So when it comes to power, it can output 84 watts. So when it comes to the charge time, from what I'm seeing, and also in the specs, so also I think we had some details here if we check. Okay, so you see it says 8 to 10 hours charge time, but that's actually not the case. I find maybe 7 hours, something like that. Definitely some e-bikes charge faster than that, but still, yeah, no bother. Okay, and what about the actual battery life you can get on this e-bike? So if you check Duotts official website, they claim you can get roughly 65 kilometer range on this bike. So after testing it, so if you were to use it only with a pedal assistant and also pedal yourself as well, so quite a lot, I would say, then definitely that 65 kilometer range is definitely doable. So yeah, that's actually accurate. But also what's absolutely cool, so inside the box you also are getting a throttle on this e-bike that you can install. You do not have to install it, but yeah, it's there if you want for some reason essentially. So yeah, actually absolutely love the throttle on the bike. So yeah, and then basically if you only use this bike with a throttle and you do not pedal yourself, I would say the actual range is maybe half of that essentially. So it is what it is. So yeah, if you ask the bike to do everything for you, the range obviously isn't nowhere the 65 kilometers range. And overall, is the new C29 Lite actually worth it, and should you maybe get one? So yep, after using it for a while, I can actually definitely recommend this e-bike, because yeah, not only it looks absolutely awesome, and for this price really to get this kind of nice looking e-bike, that's pretty much unheard. Yeah, also with very decent internal battery here as well. For example, we also get all the integrated lights here, also disc brakes, the motor power, yeah, is actually fairly decent, excellent pedal assistant. So again, it's also fully raw video. Yeah, cats fighting. Okay, yeah, also yeah, decent forks there. What else we have? So yeah, so for price really can't be beaten at all. And again, yeah, if you are looking to get it, simply make sure to check out those special discount links in the description. Also use extra €50 coupon. Stupid cats. Okay, yeah, to get it much cheaper. Okay, good luck.